getting the comment input. In order for us to get the comment input, we need to get the element that we are targeting, which is this one. In order for us to do that, we need to traverse through the element. So why to the same thing to be $document dot on check. Then this one over will be dot comment that save in our function, which is A. So when the user click on this one, we will first of all prevent the default behavior and also click here and inspect. And also I want us to remove the require from here. So remove it from here. Let's go to our post class. So this is it. So why we need to also remove the require from here. So when the user click on this one, instead of making this one post save, let's make it comment that save. Let's empty the cache. Let's empty the cache again. Okay, I'm inside the wrong. Okay, there is it. So now let's empty the cache. Click here and inspect. Click here and click on this one. Okay, comment save. So when the user click on this one, we will first of all prevent the default behavior of a button. So this one will be e dot prevent default behavior, which is this one. And the second thing that we need to do is to get the user ID and also the post ID. So this one be let post ID is equal to $this dot data is equal to the post ID. The post ID over here is for this one, this particular post, which we are getting from here. Also, we need the user ID. So this one be let user ID equal to $this dot data. And over here we have the user ID. And also we need to get the comment area. So this one be let comment area equal to $this dot parent, which is dot post form, then dot find dot comment, then will be semicolon. So now we have this one. Let's get the comment s or the comment value. So let comment value is equal to comment area dot value dot trim. The trim over here will remove all space before it and all space after it. And over here we'll check and see whether the comment value is not empty. So over here will be if comment value is not now is not empty, then over here we will send an AJAX request. So to save time, we can copy this one from here. Then over here, just paste it here. So this one over here post will be post. Then this one will be comment. So here will be comment value, which is this one. Then we have comment by. So the comment by will be the user ID, which is this one. And the comment on will be the post ID. So the comment on will be the post ID, which is this one. Okay. Then remove this one from here. We don't need it. Okay. So here instead of post, let's make it comment. So copy this one from here. Then over here, create a new file and paste it here. Let's go to post.php. Copy everything from here. Then over here, just paste it here. So here, instead of underscore file, this one will be underscore post. Then this one will be comment. Here will be comment. And a set dollar underscore post comment. Okay. So remove this one from here. So this one be dollar comment is equal to escape dollar underscore post. This one will comment. Then semicolon. Then we also have dollar comment on to be equal to escape dollar underscore post. Then this one will be comment on. Then here will be semicolon. And also dollar comment by to equal to escape then dollar underscore post. Here will be comment by. Okay. Then over here will be dollar load from post file notation comment. This one will be create comment. It takes three arguments. The first one being the comment. Then we have dollar comment on. Then we also have dollar comment by.